Smart people here. So first of all, so literally this was an idea that came out about 3 months ago between myself and Mecca and a few of our other boys as well. 2 of them can't make it today, unfortunately. And we wanted to do something where we can create a space for young Igbo people to meet every week consistently, to make new friends, to grow closer to our identity and our culture, and to just have fun, basically. So this is the very first of many runs and events we're going to be doing throughout the year and beyond after that. So yeah, thank you so much guys, you're here for this history basically, so definitely, so thank you so much everyone. The way today will work, actually I meant to say something.
Thank you for that. So basically what we'll be doing next is, we'll be going onto the grass, stretching for about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll be splitting into 2 groups. Bonnie will be taking the faster paced route, I'll be taking the slower paced group. So we'll split into 2, whatever you feel comfortable with. It's not going to be going crazy fast, I won't be going crazy slow.
So just to add to that before we kick off everybody, if you are a member, that is amazing. If you're not a member, feel free to sign up after this. We'll be running members socials every month, so if you're not big of a runner but you're more of a dancer, you can sign up and go for that as well. So yeah,
I'll go first. My name is Emeka and I'm from Imo State. I live in East.
My name is Emeka, I'm from Imo State and I live in Southeast London.
Hi everyone, my name is Precious, I'm from Benedict and I live in Southeast London.
Hi guys, I'm Obi and I'm from Imo State and I'm from Rotherhithe.
Hi, my name is Akaka. I'm from Imo State and I live in West London.
Hi, my name is Shoma, I'm from Imo State and I live in West London. Amaka, I'm from Anambra State. Hi, my name is Oluchi. Hi, my name is Tyler.
Something for individual. It was my idea and I brought to the boys, let's do something, you know? Boys together, I'm going to say Ozo 3 times, and on the 3rd time, and on the 3rd time I'm going to say can you ga, we just need to go for it, let's go. Can you ga, right? Ozo, Ozo, Ozo. Can you ga.
The last 3.
Don't make me feel like the victim. We're at the back here, I had to catch up with him because he was struggling.
One, let's go. 1, 2,
Igbo,
How can you skip?
Oh, okay.
You're going. I have a shot.
1, 2, 3. On your mark. On your mark. You guys, go closer. Go closer. Get set. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Who's slowing down?
Wait, hold on. That one's not.
Why is he trying to cheat?
Okay, the last tree. The last tree. The last 2.
Come on, Bonnie.
Come on, buddy. What is one? Last one.
My area.
Right, 3,